Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. As you can tell, we are doing the Fabfitfun unboxing. I am super pumped for this season's Fabfitfun box. I loved most of the items. I think there was only a couple that I was like, but I'm super pumped to get into this box. If you don't know what Fabfitfun is, it is a seasonal subscription. I pay, I think it's like 80. I usually pay seasonally, or not seasonally, annually. So I get to choose most of my items, and I paid, I think it was close to $300 here in Canada. But I believe in the States it's $50 a month, and it is makeup, skincare, it's like lifestyle. It's not just makeup or skincare, and you get all sorts of fantastic fun things in there. And with an annual subscription, you get to choose I believe it's 5 of the products that are in your box, and you get to choose those early. You get add-ons early, and it ships before the seasonal ones do. For seasonal, it's just $50 a month. You still get to pick 3, but not as great as options as an annual. It just all depends on what you can afford, right? But I saved up the money and I do subscribe annually because it's also easier. You don't have to remember every season that this is gonna get charged to your account. Anyway, let's get into this box. I'm super excited. I also did get a few add-ons this season. I don't think I got any add-ons last season. I can't quite remember though. No, I don't think I did. Oh, this is the box itself. I thought there was gonna be a box in a box. Nope. This is the box. So when I first open it, I see my add-ons on top. I'm so excited. Let's get into those first. So the first thing I got was the Christophe Robin Detox Scrub and Repair Mask. I've tried the Detox Scrub. I have it in my shower right now, and it's actually pretty amazing. I have not tried the mask yet, so I was really pumped to get this and give it a try. So these are just 2 travel size ones. Yeah, the same size I have in my shower. Fantastic. It is like a sugar scrub for your scalp, and I love it. It helps. I have a little bit of dandruff in my hair. Maybe that's TMI, maybe that's gross, whatever, but I do. And this helps get all the dandruff out. So you just scrub your scalp real good, and it'll pull it all out for you. And I also do a coconut tea tree mask to help with that too. And then, yeah, this is the mask, same size. Super pumped to try those out. And then, as it falls out of the box, because I wasn't expecting that, I got a Spongellé. This one is, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to put it back in the box. If you haven't tried these before, these are amazing. It's a Spongellé. This one is the Vanilla Peach. And yeah, it smells so good. So all the soap is already inside of the sponge. Just get it wet, soap it up, and scrub your body. And I love it. I have one in my shower right now. And I'm actually really, really in love with the smell. It's great. All right. Now, this was free when you spent, does it say how much? When you spent a certain amount on add-ons, you got this for free. It is the Laura Bar Peanut Butter Chocolate Chip. That sounds amazing. I haven't tried these bars yet, so I'll definitely eat that later. All right, so on to the box. First thing I see is their magazine, which is awesome. It tells you all about the products, and then just what else does it tell you? They usually have like a theme, so it talks about that. Then it talks about calming yoga moves, get your zen on. Kate Couric telling the untold stories, stunning beauty looks. Cute little magazine, definitely worth a read. So, because there's a lot of customizations. I'm not going to go through all the customizations of what you can get because it's a lot, and it's kind of hard to explain and show you the pictures, etc. So I'll just show you everything that I chose for my box this month. Let's see what I got here. I got a little cute winter Fabfitfun sticker. I don't think I've ever gotten a sticker before. That's cute. That's going to go on my fridge, my Sephora fridge. That's awesome. What else do we got in here? I got a scratch off to see your credit for Bright Sellers. I've never actually checked them out. I'm pretty sure, I got itch. I'm pretty sure these have been in the box before. Pretty sure I've seen a couple things like this, and I never did check them out. Maybe I will give it a shot this time. Check it out. And then I got Sips By. Take a personalized tea journey. Take the tea quiz to find your new favorites. And get a 50% off your first box with code, etc. Sorry, I need a sip of this coffee. I'm coughing. Oh, so it's like a subscription box for teas? Well, that's interesting. Definitely give that a look later. I do like tea. Ooh, what do we got here? Oh! HBO Max. Experience all of HBO together with even more favorite series and movies. Oh, I got a code for a 14-day free trial. Well, that's really cool. They've never included anything like that. What is this? Oh, $15 off your first Fabfitfun Box. Ooh, with a code. Add a little sparkle to your shine. That's a cute little card. I'm going to keep that. I got a super itchy face today. I'm sorry. And then I got 9 free meals across 5 boxes with HelloFresh. I think they had that in the last one too. I never did check that one out. I might keep that though, because with the way things are looking right now, just might go on meltdown or on lockdown. Meltdown, lockdown, same thing, right? Okay. I'm so excited. I see so many great items. Okay, I'm going to go with the first item that I'm really pumped about. Whoa. This is heavy. This is, a blanket. It's UnHide, for love, not fur. Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. No animals were harmed in making of this faux. So it's a blanket, and honestly, on the Kiss of Makeup site, and I'm also on another one for subscription boxes, I have heard a lot of the ladies say they got this in their box and they want another one. And no joke, everybody just wants another one. So they're like, anybody want to sell theirs? Because I want another one. So it's got to be fantastic, because I've seen that post so many times now. Throw that on the floor. Throw that on the floor. Holy. It is tied together nicely. It's really heavy. I'm shocked. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so nice. UnHide. For love, not fur. It's like a gray blue color. Oh, it is really, really nice. Oh, it feels so good. Both sides are really nice. This one feels really soft too. Sweet. So this was like, I think it was my first customization choice. I think so. So the box usually I believe it's over $200 usually worth of products. I can't remember what they said mine was. Yeah. 200 plus worth of products normally, so you pay about $50. I pay a little bit more to get it in Canada, but I always find that is worth it. I love it. I will look on my the Fabfitfun page after to see how much my box is totaled. And I always have to remember too, the box total that they give me on there is USD. I'm in Canada, so it's even more. So yes. This one was one of the first customizations. I'll do that. I'll go in order. Let's do that. So what was the next one? What was the next one? That's 3. Oh! The next one that I chose, which was the next customization, was a mirror. I don't know. I have a high mirror, but I was like, can you really have too many mirrors? When you love doing your makeup, and maybe sometimes I just want to sit out there and do it. So I was like, this is great. This is the Touch Highlight LED Makeup Mirror by Impressions Vanity. High definition, distortion-free makeup mirror. Soft touch, long-lasting daylight LED lights, dual power source. Ooh. And on the back, it shows it can tilt. And then around it lights up. I'm super excited to open this and try it out. So that was my second customization choice. And okay, I know what the third one is now. This was the third one. And this is the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice 12 Well Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, you know what? Was this between this one and this one I couldn't choose? No, I think that was the next. Yeah, that was the next choice. Never mind. So this choice, for this choice, I chose this item. Let's check out the colors. Ooh. If I can get it open. I like the case. The palette is just sleek. White and like a plum colored letters. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at these gorgeous colors. I am all about the nudes, and this is screaming me. Oh yeah. Loving it. Oh my goodness. Those are some of the shimmers. Oh, yep. I'm excited. This is a matte. Ooh. Definitely going to be a buildable one. I'm also putting it on my hand. That's the matte. Oh, such fall. In love. So glad I chose this. Excuse me while I grab a wipe. Next choice. Right. Super excited about these. They are socks. These are the Muck Lux. The original Muck Lux, Wear Your Way of Life. They're like big oversized socks. It's kind of like the reading socks they sell at Chapters. If you know what that is. If you don't, I'm sorry. But look at these socks. They are so cute. And they got the grips on the bottom. It says Muck Lux. And, oh, they're fuzzy on the inside. I am going to be putting these on right after the video. I am a huge sucker for socks, for fluffy, comfy, coffee and socks, and just give me nice sweatpants, some fluffy socks, a book, and a coffee, and I'm set. I'm just happy for the rest of the day, except for I'll refill that coffee. Anyway, so I couldn't choose between those socks and the TULA Skincare Glow and Get It Cool Brightening Eye Balm. I have the one that is blue. It's a cool in something. I'm not sure, but I like the blue one, so I wanted to give this one a shot too. Oh, healthy looks good on you. That's cute right inside there. I love that. So this is what it looks like, just a pink tube. And you literally, I don't want to take this off yet, but you just swipe it on. It's amazing. It's awesome eye cream. I love my TULA one, my other TULA one. So I chose to get this extra as an add-on. Because when you do customize, you can say you wanted two of the same, or two products in the same one, you can add the second one for an extra, I believe, don't quote me. This one was an extra $7. So about $9 Canadian. Not bad at all for a TULA product. And I'm also pretty sure that you can't get TULA in Canada. That's what I've heard. I've heard a lot of ladies say that they can't get it in Canada. Like, yes, we can get it in our subscription boxes, but I don't think we can order it or something like that. I haven't really looked it up, but I'll let you know, because I like to leave descriptions. I'll leave a list of everything that I chose, and if I can find a link for that product, that's what I'm trying to say. I will definitely leave it for you. All right, on to the next one. I'm just using the book as reference here. I believe the next items were chosen. Yes, the next items were chosen for me because I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Oh, no, I chose the next item. My bad. These are the, if I can find it, oh, right there. They're the Garden Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. Patches gels. Yeah, sorry. I'm reading the French now. What am I doing? Been a crazy couple days here. It's just, yeah, I masked for underneath your eyes. There's 4 in here. It's by Beautaniq. I think you say Beautaniq. Beauty. And it's got cucumber, rose, green tea, and hyaluronic acid. Yeah, so there's 4 little packages of masks in here. Super, super cute. Cannot wait to try these. I love putting these in my little skincare fridge, making them cold and then putting them on. Oh my goodness. Fantastic. Okay. Just pulling this blanket up. It's so nice. Oh, I'm going to really enjoy cuddling with this. It's even got some weight on it, which is always great, especially for people with anxiety, because I've got a weighted blanket and I just absolutely love it. So the next products were chosen for me. Let's see what I got. 3 items left. Let's put this down to give me some space here. And we'll start with the first thing I pulled out, which I am absolutely not mad about. It's one of the products that I did want. It's a Daily Concepts facial dry brush for radiant looking skin. So I guess it's just like I said, a dry brush. I've never used a dry brush. I've used it like exfoliants on my skin, but never a dry brush. It says, on the top it says is gentle texture. Let's pull this out and check it out. Ooh, that is really nice. Just a cute little brush for your face. Huh, I really like that. And so, yeah, like I said, this is one of the ones that I definitely wanted to get. I was kind of sad because I also wanted the Blemish Patches. If you've seen my other videos, I got some in Ipsy as an add-on, and then I got some yesterday in my top box. It was cake ones. I love the Blemish add-ons. I have, as you can tell, because I can't cover it up very good. I'm not very good at that. I have like serious breakout right now, so I do love them. But anyway, I didn't get that in my box, so that's okay. On to the next things I got. I got the Below the Belt. It is a little red, like, leather. I don't know if it's quite leather. What does it say about? Oh, it's faux Croc case. Features convenient slots for your ID and credit cards. It's red. My sister's favorite color is red, so I'm going to hand this off to her. I'm super pumped about that. So I don't even want to take it out of the plastic. I'll just let her do that. And the last item I got was Aesthetica, if that's how you say it. Liquid eyeliner in black. It's just a simple little eyeliner. I don't know if I need any more liquid, but I'll keep it on hand because I really need to start practicing. Yeah. Just a little liquid eyeliner. Let's see what the wand looks like. Oh, it's kind of thick. Oh, it's really stiff too. But it's got a pointy end, so it might be easier to use. I might use this as my practice one, because I suck with liquid eyeliner. I never use it because I just make a huge mess with it. That's it. I'm kind of sad. I love going through Fabfitfun boxes, though. It's one of my favorite things every season to get. It's always an amazing box. Let me know what you think, what you got in your boxes. Were you happy? Yeah. Talk to me in the comments. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.